what's up guys, this is Fly Low Joe coming at you with another video, and this will be an install of the Akrapovic Megaphone slip-on exhaust on the Yamaha R6 2017. Things that you will need: a Yamaha R6, a slip-on exhaust of your choice. Mine is the Akrapovic Megaphone. For this particular install, you will need a T45 star bit, a 6mm Allen head, a ratchet, the clamp and bolt that came with your exhaust, and also a torque wrench.
2 hours later.
Guys, as you can see, it was really simple, not hard at all, pretty quick. It's probably like 5-10 minutes depending on how savvy you are with tools. This startup is going to be a cold start and with the DB killer in, and then I'm going to do another startup with the DB out. Now that it's fully warmed up, let's do another startup, and now I'm going to include a couple revs. Now that the DB killer is removed, it's basically straight pipe, so it's gonna be loud. Let's take a look.
Alright guys, let's do a pull.